Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start the second lecture of exercise 3.2 of third chapter. The relevant topic of 3.2 is logarithm. What is logarithm? What are its applications? Why we use logarithm? Before defining logarithm, we are going to explain it with the help of an example. If someone asks from you that, it may be a question in your mind that why we use logarithm, what are its applications, but if someone asks from you, it can be explained with the help of an example. That if someone asks from you that find the value of x in such a situation, then what will be your answer? Then it's straightforward that 3 power x equals to 3 square, that x will be equals to 2. It's simple. But if a person asks from you that find the value of x in this situation, then you will be unable to solve such kind of question with simple mathematical operation. It needs a tool to find the value of x. We use a tool, that tool is called logarithm. Logarithm is a tool, a beneficial tool for us, which can solve such kind of mathematical problems for us. It's a tool. So for such type of, here 10 is not the multiple of 3. Here 10 is not the multiple of 3. So in such a situation, to overcome such kind of problems, we use logarithm. So here now we are going to define logarithm, that if for any positive real number, that is a, is not equals to 1, a positive real number in the form of a power x equals to y. Here x, which is index, is called the logarithm of log of y to the base a, and can be written as log of y to the base a, that will be equals to x. These are, and it is if and only if a power x equals to y. So it's the same relation, but the expression is different. It's basically the expression of the same relation in different forms. Expression of the same relations in different forms. So we can write a power x equals to y. In logarithmic form, we can write it is log of y to the base a equals to x. Both are equals to each other. They are different ways of expressing the same relation among the numbers. So here, the form a power x equals to y is called exponential form. And the form log of y to the base a equals to x is an logarithmic form. After that, we will learn about the interconversion of logarithmic and exponential form. That if a number is given in exponential form, then how we will convert it into logarithmic form. And if a number is, if the equation, mathematical equation is written in the form of logarithmic, then how we will convert it into exponential form. Here we are going to learn. Here in such a mathematical equation, here the base is a power x. So a equals to 4, x also equals to 4, and y equals to 256 according to the mathematical exponential equation, that a power x equals to y. So in such a situation, a is 4, x is also 4 and y equals to 256. Now in logarithmic form, how we will convert it? Log of y to the base a equals to log of y to the base a, log of y, so y we have 256 to the base a is basically 4 equals to x having value 4. So we have converted such a exponential form into logarithmic form. Now question B. Here a is 10, x is 0 and y equals to 1 according to the mathematical equation of an exponential form. So the logarithmic form will be equals to log of y to the base a equals to x, so x equals to 0. So log of 1 to the base 10 equals to 0. Now and question C, we are converting the logarithmic form into exponential form. So how we will convert it? Here we know that the base is a, that is a equals to 2, x equals to minus 7 and y equals to 1 divided by 128, 1 over 128. So the exponential form will be a power x, a. So a we have 2 power x, x equals to minus 7 equals to y 1 over 128. So it's the exponential form of the given mathematical equation. Now the fourth one, that is, this implies that here a is 4, y is 1 over 8 and x is minus 3 over 2. So now here this implies that a power x, so a is 4 and power x power equals minus 3 divided by 2 equals to 1 divided by 8. So it's the exponential form of the mathematical equation. Now the third question is find the value of unknown, that is x. So how we will find if the x unknown is given in the logarithm in terms of in the logarithmic form, then how we will find the value of x in such a situation. So to tackle such kind of situation or to find the value of unknown, first of all we need to convert it into exponential form. So how we will convert it into exponential form? We know that a power x, a power, in such a situation it's a, it's y and it's x. So a power x, so 5 power x equals to y, that is 125. So we can write it is 5 power x divided by 2 equals to 125. Here we can also write 5 power x divided by 2 equals to 5 power 3. So the bases are same, so the powers will be equal. This equals to cross multiplying, so x will be equals to 2 3s are 6. So the value of unknown in terms of logarithmic mathematical equation, which is unknown in the logarithmic mathematical equation, that is equals to 6. Now the second question is, now we should have to convert it into, here we have a is 3 and y we have 3 power x. First of all we need to convert it into exponential form. So 3 power 2 will be equals to 5x plus 1. It's the exponential form of the given logarithmic mathematical equation, so that equals to 9, 5x plus 1 equals to 5x plus 1. This implies that 5x will be equals to 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1, that will be equals to 8. So x will be equals to, dividing both sides by 5, so x will be equals to 1.6. X will be equals to 1.6. Dear students, these were all the things related to that of logarithmic, exponential form and logarithmic form, and after that we found the value of unknowns. Dear students, if you are facing any kind of difficulty in such topics, then your response will be highly appreciated, and you are kindly requested to solve the remaining questions of 3.2. Thanks for watching.